We are back with June 2010, number 6A. A diagram here, not drawn to scale. Okay, it shows two straight lines, PQ and RS intersecting a pair of parallel lines, TU and VW. Okay, they ask you to determine with reason, okay, what is X and Y. So I want what is X and what is Y. Okay, now let's look for X first. In looking for X, if you have a Z kind of shape, let's look Z. This is a Z shape. Okay, the two angles there and here, okay, for the Z shape is considered to be alternate angles. So if they are alternate angles, then they are equal. So if this is 54 degrees, then this is supposed to be 54 degrees also. Okay, so X is 54 degrees because it is an alternate angle. Okay, so X is 54 degrees because it's an alternate angle. Good, alternate angle. Good. Now, and remember it has to be a Z shape. Look, see that? Z shape. These two angles here are alternate angles. Very important. Now, in getting what's Y, you have this kind of shape here. Okay? This kind of enclosed angles. These enclosed angles we call interior angles. Okay? So they are interior angles, and interior angles add up to 180 degrees. So that plus that will add up to 180 degrees. So to get what is this, you do what? Subtract that from 180 and you should get that. Okay? So Y is equals to 180 is 180. Subtract 115 from 180 to give me what? To give me 65 degrees. And you have interior angles added up to 180. That will be a reason. Okay? So a reason is interior angles add up to 180. You subtract 115 from 180 to get 65. Okay? Because it's enclosed. Watch. It is enclosed. Once enclosed, you have interior angles. And once you have the Z shape here, that and that, these are alternate angles. Remember that. Thank you.